Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, we're going to talk about what you need to do if you're still struggling to get your first SMMA client. You're still struggling to get $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month social media marketing clients in 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, at the taping of this video is March, okay? So that means you had 2 months and you still don't have clients, okay? That's a problem, okay? That's a big problem, and we're gonna fix it. You guys want to fix it? Comment below. Say, Maurice, I want to fix it. Well, we're gonna fix it. Grab a pen and a piece of paper. I'm gonna give you guys a simple strategy, okay, to get you from zero to getting your first $2,000 a month paid client, okay? Now, first of all, the big thing, okay? This is the big reason why 98% of the people are broke and don't have clients or not successful in life in general, okay? Flat out, most people are lazy, okay? And I can bet you right now, if I asked you, okay, I want you guys to look me in the eyes right now. Come up to the screen. Bring your face up to the video. Come up close. Look me in the eyes and tell me, have you spent a minimum of 5 hours, okay? Just 5 hours this week making cold calls, okay? Doing a Loom or Zoom, setting up a Facebook strategy, sending out emails, sending out direct mail. There's direct mail courses out there. There's so many things out there to help you, okay? But the way you get clients, ladies and gentlemen, is that you're face-to-face, ear-to-ear with the client, or you have some type of marketing that's out there, okay, in front of someone's eyeballs, okay? That's how we get clients. We don't get clients by chilling on the sofa. We don't get clients by, scrolling IG all day and being on Facebook all day, okay, or being on YouTube all day, just watching videos. The only way you're going to get clients, folks, okay, is that you're belly to belly, okay, meaning you're in front of somebody, or you're on the phone ear to ear, you're talking to a prospect, or you got a video or some type of marketing in front of a business owner. So the problem that you're having right now, okay, is that you're not doing enough activity, or you're just not doing nothing. You're just flat out lazy, you're procrastinating, and you have fears and phobias. And we need to deal with those fears and phobias, okay? And we're going to deal with that as well, because that's what's stopping most of you guys from hitting $10,000 a month, is that mentally, okay, you have a mental block that's holding you back from getting to the promised land, okay, of making $10,000 a month. And most of you guys want to get to the promised land, but you don't want to walk. You don't want to do anything, okay? And you have to do something, okay, if you want a result. Write that down. If you want a result, okay, you have to do something. If you want a garden, you have to plant a seed, okay? And most of you guys want gardens, but guess what? There's no seed in the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, when I started my SMMA agency, when I was, working at a warehouse, overworked, underpaid, working in the rain, cold, shivering, and I was just sick and tired of being, sick and tired. I was just tired. I flat out wanted a change in my life. And ladies and gentlemen, when I was looking at my bank account, logging into my bank account, or at the time I would call in to the banking number just to hear, I got tired of having a few $100s in my checking account. Okay, I got tired of, paying gas with coins, okay, because I didn't have enough money to put gas in my automobile to get to the very job that was supposedly, cashing me or giving me a check every couple of weeks, okay? I got tired. And until you get tired of being in a situation you are in, you will never be successful, okay? If you are comfortable with making $20, okay, an hour, you can never make $40 an hour. See, I wasn't comfortable with a man saying, okay, Maurice, I'm gonna pay you $10 an hour to work 8 hours for me. That's $80 a day, okay? $80 a day, okay? And then that's not including the taxes that they was taking out. And so I know, Uncle Sam typically takes about 10 cents out of every dollar I make. So after everything was said and done, okay, I was probably making about $60 a day. Okay, I was trading 8 hours of my day, okay, ladies and gentlemen, for literally $60 a day, and that wasn't cutting it. So I had to have a chance. So when social media marketing was presented to me, I looked at the courses and said, I can't afford not to have the course. See, when you guys are looking at courses and coaches and strategy sessions, and I just spent close to $3,000, last week on courses and trainings and things to get me to my goal of, generating $50,000+ a month in one of my businesses. Okay. This is just one of them. Okay. All right. I know that when I looked at those price tags, I said, I can afford not to have the course. And when I tell you guys to invest in yourself, I don't tell you guys to do nothing I'm not doing myself. Okay. Or else I'll be a hypocrite, and I don't want to be that. So, ladies and gentlemen, you have to invest in yourself. When you go to the doctor, they have a solution. They say, okay, this is the problem with you. Here's the prescription. Go to the pharmacist, okay, and take this medicine. And I'm telling you guys, if you don't have clients, okay, what you have to do is that you have to take action, okay? You have to pick this phone up, okay, and you have to go to work. Now, if you're not good at making cold calls, what I want you to do is click the link in the description and grab the ICP course. I outline 7 days, a 7-day roadmap on what you need to do to get your first client. I actually got 3 clients literally in 7 days. You can copy the process, get the scripts, get the rebuttals, and copy the process. Now, a lot of you guys may go to the site or go to anybody's site that's selling a course, and you start to let your negative mind say you can't afford that, and you have to slap yourself. I want you guys to slap yourself and say, hey, I can't afford not to get this course. And here's why. You look over your life the last year, and if you have not been driving what you want to drive, living where you want to live, and going where you supposed to go or want to go, meaning vacations and a new home and the type of automobile that you want, you're not accomplishing that. Ladies and gentlemen, you can't afford not to. Okay, you have to invest in that course because it's going to change your life. Okay, and you guys know my saying, if you're not willing to sacrifice, what you want becomes a sacrifice. Okay, let me say that again. If you're not willing to sacrifice, what you want becomes a sacrifice. Your dreams and goals now are on the table of sacrifice. Okay, and that's why 98% of the people are broke, because they're not willing to give up to come up. Okay, so going back to this, what do you need to do to get your first client? Okay, this month, you got to do something. You got to roll your sleeves up, grab this phone, okay, and you have to take action. Okay, because the reason why you guys don't have clients, you're flat out not doing anything. The next thing is you got to improve your skills. That's why I said, if you're going to use cold calling as a strategy, you need a mentor. You need a coach, someone to show you the ropes. And if you want that, you click the link in the description. You can hire me as a coach if you need that. If you really want to stop playing around and get serious, and you guys got to get serious because your life is going to end one day. Some of you guys think you just have all this time. You don't. Stop playing. Okay, get serious about life, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this coronavirus, how it has devastated businesses. People are out of business, unemployed. Okay, people are homeless, and they're waiting on you to help them. But you're too busy making excuses why you can't do something. Instead of making an excuse, find a reason why you can do it. Okay, and if you find a reason why you can get clients, you'll have clients. Okay, the next thing that's stopping you guys from getting clients is low skill set. Your skill set is just not good enough, and you're not willing, and you have to be willing to give yourself time to grow. This is a big one. Okay, a lot of you guys get courses and trainings, and you give up. You buy the course for 2 days, and you say, I don't want to do cold calling no more. I don't want to do this no more. You give up. Winners never quit and quitters never win, folks. You got to give yourself time. Can you imagine when you were a kid and when you were learning how to ride a bike and you got on a bike and you fell off one time? You said, this bike riding stuff just don't work, and you go and throw your bike in the dumpster? No, you didn't do it. You got on a bike, you fell off. You got on a bike, you fell off. You got on a bike, you fell off. You got on a bike and you started to ride a little bit. You start pedaling, then you finally got it. Then you fell off one more time. Then you hit a car. Then you bumped your head. But you kept going until you figured it out. What I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, is when you get the course, you're going to suck in cold calling when you first start. But that's okay. Maurice sucked too. Okay? But Maurice sucked long enough, struggled long enough, bought a lot of courses, invested in his mind, and he kept going. And then, boom, $10,000 a month. Boom, 100 G's a year. Boom, $250,000. Boom, on my way to $50,000 a month. Boom, why? Ladies and gentlemen, it's because I kept going. I was able to allow myself time to grow. And I knew I sucked. You know what I mean? But I kept going. And if you want to be successful and get clients, you got to understand you're going to suck. But if you keep going, you're going to get good at it. If you make 5,000 phone calls, do you not think you're going to make a couple $100,000 a year in SMMA? Of course. Of course. So you just have to keep going, ladies and gentlemen. So these are the things that are stopping you. So what is the game plan? What I want you to do, ladies and gentlemen, is lock yourself in a room, grab your smartphone, get the course, get the rebuttals, get everything that you need, okay? All right? And you give yourself an hour a day to get on that phone and book 2 appointments a day. And you do that for 30 days and you will have your first client. Okay, so I hope this training has been of immense value to you. If it has, make sure you guys comment below. Let me know what you thought about it. Hit the thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm. It's really simple. If you want your first client, you got to take action. You got to improve your skill set. Okay. It's all about mindset. You got to believe in yourself. Yes, you're going to have procrastination and phobias. You're going to be nervous. This phone's a black stick. Just get over it. Just say, hey, you know what? I got bills to pay. I got to do this. You talk to yourself. I talk to myself sometimes. You have to say, hey, I'm going for $50,000 a month. And you got to go. You can't just chill. Ladies and gentlemen, you got to sacrifice. It's going to be tough. You're going to have to pay with your time, energy, and money. And if you guys aren't willing to do that, go get a job at Walmart or McDonald's and flip burgers. Because SMMA is not for you. It's your boy Maurice. I will see you guys in the next one. Grab the course. Do what's necessary. I'm here to help you guys. Let's take over in 2021. Bye for now.